What's going on, world? It's your man Pat Caesar LLC, mobile mechanic and roadside services. I'm out here with the babies right now. Say what's up. Say what's up. Hey. You can't get it. He finally starting to walk and taking me wherever. Say peace. Peace. Can you give me the peace sign? Peace. Peace. Close. There you go. Good job. Promise you you'll catch me. Promise you you'll catch me. So listen, man, I've had crazy experiences. What's going on, bro? I've had crazy experiences with dealing with people when I'm starting this new venture right now. Don't want to talk about it too much, but just to give you kind of a peek, right here we got us a trailer and my truck. I ain't gonna go too more into it until I get everything squared away. Well, check this out, man. The last few days I done towed a few of my customers' cars for them. Private duty things, nothing too crazy. And the individual that owns this particular thing right here, I thought dude was cool, man. I gotta get my tire. I gotta do something about that tire. I'm about to get that one switched too. But man, individual cool, man. And I've been holding on to the car for him. Wasn't charging him no storage fee, nothing like that. I was gonna fix it for him until he told me the same thing that the last person ended up telling me. What's wrong with that car? They ain't got no title. What the hell you supposed to do with a vehicle that you don't own? Now we in 2019, it's like a 2005, so you still owing money on this thing, man. You got some issues. Well, like the first person, wait, hold on, big guy. This second dude, man, like actually is my homie. I can't believe he even tried to do this, but he tried to run off on the plug. He literally tried to run off on the plug. I'm the one sitting out here helping him, and then he wanted it. And I'm telling him, like, bro, listen, report didn't come back so hot on this truck. I need to get this thing from around here. You need to get your truck back. I don't recommend doing nothing to it until you straighten out your legal stuff with it. And I wish you wouldn't have brought me involved in this whole thing, because now I gotta do my part to protect myself and my company, because you ain't obviously thinking about me and mine. So homie won't even answer the phone. Homie won't even answer the phone. He made the fatal mistake of letting me know where he stayed, and I got a good memory when it needs to be good, and so I pulled up. And now I got the truck on the trailer, and I'm really about to pull up, and I'm gonna drop it straight off at his place. Hey, get out that sand, get out that sand. Yeah, kids want to play in the sand, gotta hold them down real quick. So either way, man, it's crazy. Don't run off on the plug, y'all. Listen, I used to think that it was a funny term that actually, you know, was just a kind of a catchphrase, but this really does happen, you know, all the time. And you don't especially want to do it when, you know, you don't want to bite the hand that's feeding you. I don't know what people's ideal is of how they can get ahead by pushing down the people that's helping them go up. I don't know. When you get out of this sand, yeah. But either way, don't run off on the plug. Yeah, because you can either get repoed or you can get towed. Either way, I guess that's the same thing. Well, repo kinda not, because repo is more or less on the I'm gonna take it without your permission. This time I'm dropping it off without permission. Homie won't hit me back. Can't believe it's going down like this, but it is. Don't run off on the plug. And if you're gonna run off on the plug, make sure you go somewhere far and untraceable. But anything that happens in the dark is gonna come back out to the light. So there it is, y'all. I got to get this thing over another city or two over and drop it off before anything else happens. Just wanted to put that out there. Vi promundo beneficio siempre. Peace.